Hello and welcome to another episode of SqEngineering Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and in the previous episode we managed to make one aluminum pipe for transporting oil, so let's try and make the other one. And maybe some hoses as well, that would be nice. And perhaps also a bracket. We will see where we end up. So I think this pipe is also pretty much finished. So this one will be connected to the right one on the Canton oil filter adapter. The only problem is down here. So if we look, hopefully you can still hear me, but when we're looking down here, the blue thing is the, if I can get it focused on that, please. The blue thing is the outlet from the filter, so I need to make sure that that fitting is not colliding with the black one on top. But the first hose that we will be making is that one. So there will be a 90-degree piece of hose and then a straight fitting coming here. I think I need to undo the the adapter from the filter adapter to the AN10 fitting. I suspect it's leaking, so I will need to take a look at that. So there were some work done inside the engine bay in the dark, so couldn't really show you much, but I can show you now. So here we have a hose that I reused. So we have a 90-degree Earl fitting, Russell stainless braided line, and then I couldn't find my Earl fittings, so I used the speeding one, and then it's going all the way to the filter mount. So we also have clearance, hard to see, but this means that we have some sort of distance between the chassis or the body of the car. So I will later make like a bracket, and then the second one will be something like this, and that means that we have all this space for the intercooler pipe. So that's really nice. And then I think so the power steering reservoir is that I'm building will have a built-in filter, and I think I will put that slanted. So if that one is in this direction and then the fitting in this direction, then it should be, then I should be able to have it a bit bigger. Hold on. So if I have it like this, then I think that could be quite good. And the filter portion will then stick out to somewhere around here. So that should be good. Yeah, and this was quite good. It was a bit tricky to install this hose end, but only because I had to put some force on the hose to get this outer part of the fitting on the hose. And yeah, I think it worked out quite well in the end. And also I used this tool that I bought for when I built the fuel system, also from Speeding. So this one is cutting the hoses in a very nice way. I don't get any stainless braid sort of trying to jump into the threads, which will end up damaging the threads and so on. So this was really good. So that ended up nicely, I would say. So I need one more pipe fitting, and then we can continue with this pipe. So in the last episode we made the pipe, and in this episode we made the second pipe and one of the hoses. So that's great, and I need to take a look and see where I have my Earl's hose fittings. There are somewhere, but I think this can be like a top note or a small win, good enough for this episode. So thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.